Hi, this is a quick video to show you how things work and what needs to be done in order to backtest and optimize EAs on the Renko chart, which is drawn by the Ultimate Renko Indicator. I have it on my chart right now. You see a regular Renko. I'm using 3% of daily ATR with regular Renko. You can choose different types. I also have 3 moving averages on the chart: a 9-period exponential, a 21 exponential, and a 200 simple. You got all these choices with each moving average, and you can have up to 4 on the chart. You also have a couple of channels. Okay, so regarding the EAs, you get 3 EAs with the Renko indicator. You get your moving average crossover, a price and moving average crossover, plus just a generic Renko EA. I'll provide a link to one of my blogs where I explain what it's all about. Okay, I'm gonna put the 2 moving average EA onto a chart right now. You need to enable the moving averages on the Renko indicator like I did in the beginning, and the rest you just set here. I'm going to just put buys and sells, and I'm not going to force stop reversals. The schedule, I'll just set this to none, and I'm gonna leave the rest out for now. Right, so the EA is on. It sees that the moving averages are currently validating a buy signal, but there's no buy signal because there's no cross at the moment. So, well, that's a different story. Okay, so now regarding the backtesting. First, you need to modify one setting here in the source code. You need to just uncomment show indicator inputs because you're going to need that for the backtest. I suggest saving this as a separate file. Just put backtest. And compile it. Now you're going to have it here, and you're going to use this file for the backtest. So I'm clicking test. Okay, so now you just choose a symbol. The time period doesn't matter because the EA or the indicator is going to use ticks or real ticks. Only these 2 work. I'm gonna just leave these at default. Now the important part here, these are the inputs, and the first blocks are from the indicator where you set your Renko parameters, and then all the way at the bottom you got your EA parameters, and you got the things we set before. I'm gonna leave everything at defaults right now. I'm just going to enable the 2 moving averages as we need them for the EA to work. That's the important part. Right. So now just click start. Okay, so basically it's just going, buying, selling. That's just your standard backtest. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Made some profit too. Okay, now optimizing. I didn't use optimizing much, so I'm just going to do a balance, maximum balance right now. And in the inputs, you need to choose which parameters you want to optimize. So I'm going to choose the Renko body size, which is at 100 ticks. And I'm going to use 100 to, let's say, 150 with a step of 10. So I'm just optimizing one setting here. All right, here's your status. So you can see that's incrementing. At some point, you're going to see, I guess you're going to see some results here if they're positive. I've chosen a whole year, so it's going to take a while, but let's just see what it comes up with. I'll just pause the video and wait until it finishes. Alright, so the optimization finished, and the results are here. So I guess that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. And bye for now.